welcome back to Zola's Feast. I know this looks very different. I'm not wearing an apron because this is a vlog style video because we're doing something different today. We're going shopping, but before I explain exactly what I mean, let me say hi to all of my regular subscribers. Hi guys, welcome home. To anybody new here, why haven't you joined the family? Don't worry, you can do so by hitting that subscribe button and joining the Zola's Feast family right now. Down for a second and explain exactly what I mean. So today we are going shopping for Le Creuset. Now, if you've been following for a while, you know that I love Le Creuset, and my personal motto is that you can never have enough Le Creuset. So I'm gonna go get some new pieces. But what's even more exciting is that I'm taking you along with me, but I'm also taking my sister along with me, and she today officially is going to start her Le Creuset collection. So yes, she's gonna shop, I'm gonna shop, we're gonna shop. Yay! Let's go, guys. I have just pulled up to my sister's house to pick her up for our shopping expedition. Yeah, I'm very excited about this. The girlie, are you excited shopping? Excited, babe. So is there a strategy? What are you going to get?
Everything.
Oh, okay. That's not a strategy.
Everything.
Okay. We are almost there. So exciting, so exciting. Hallelujah. We've arrived. Is this Winnie the Pooh stuff? Oh my gosh, too cute. Too cute. Pokemon. Look how cute the Pokemon stuff. So cute. Okay, go show me the colors that are speaking to you.
I don't even know what color this is. This with this handle is the one.
Oh, that's pretty.
This is beautiful.
Pretty, okay.
I also, I don't know if I want this because I want the color. I want the color. That's beautiful. I also like those type of like the tail,
the pastel.
Yes, I love that.
Pretty. I need, I don't need anything, but I want maybe some cotton stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. This is the face of a newfound Le Creuset addiction. She can't decide what to get. Happens to the best of us, Carol. Welcome to the club.
I just want to make sure that
Definitely went wild here and bought lots and lots of things. She can't. I have definitely bought some stuff. Yeah, so fun. Right, guys, we're all shopped out. Successful shopping trip? Oh yeah, we got all the Le Creuset. Yep. So I'm going to do an unboxing of mine. She's gonna wait until Christmas to unbox hers.
Yes, thank you.
But yeah, I will do an unboxing and show you what I got. Right, guys, I am home from my awesome Le Creuset shopping spree. It's time for an unboxing because I know you guys want to know what I bought. A reminder to make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you watched this far, please add a comment. I always love reading your comments. Right, let's get into it. I will show you what I've got and I will tell you exactly how much it cost. Right, let's unbox. Here they are, my brand new Le Creuset babies. Welcome to the family. Okay, I'm gonna go through each of them one by one, tell you what they are and tell you how much they cost. Okay, so let's start with the smallest items, I guess. These are the spatulas. So this craft small spatula is $2.59. Then this craft medium spatula is $2.89. And this one is called the large spatula and it's 240 Rand. So these were all 3 for 2. So actually I paid for 2 and got 3. So yes, by the way, we got very lucky because we showed up to shop during Colorful Friday, so major discounts. I got major discounts on all of these items. So yeah, so when you see this, the sale is still on, so make sure you go and grab yourself some Le Creuset. Okay, next up is this set of 3 that actually, yeah, it comes as a set. It cost 3,313 Rand 50. So yeah, I think normally it retails for about 6,000 Rand, so big bargain there, like 50% off. So it comes with a silicone trivet. You can never have too many of these. I already have maybe 7 or 8 of them. And then this is a classic must-have Le Creuset. It's a stoneware square dish, and yeah, perfect for pasta bakes, cakes, puddings. Fantastic. And by the way, these colors, I got it in the meringue color. And then this is a pot that I already have, but I use it so often, so I thought great to have another one. It's a 24 centimeter. It's obviously cast iron. Absolutely love it. Look how stunning. Also in meringue, I use this so much for rice, for stews, for all sorts. Brilliant one. Okay, love her. Then moving on to this gorgeous beauty. I mean, how fantastic is this color? So this is a 22 centimeter cocotte. It's in the color garnet. It's so sexy with the gold knob. I mean, just too fab. And this cost me 3,299 Rand 40 cents, and that was after a 40% discount. Yeah, I mean, she's gorgeous. You can never have too many of the 22 centimeter and even the 24 centimeter. I use them so much for all sorts of things, for stews, soups, rice dishes. I mean, endless. And look how classic, so beautiful. I think it'll go really well with my sort of fig color, and I have like a purple color in my collection already, so I think that's stunning. Then this gorgeous beauty, the last one in my new collection, is actually a new item. So it's actually 2 pots in one. So there's the lid, which actually is fully cast iron and can act as a pan itself, so you can pop it straight on the stove. Fantastic. It's got gorgeous sturdy handles, love it. And then this part is obviously the saucepan or the pot part. It's shallow. It's how many centimeters is this one? This one is 26 centimeters, so a really wide lip or circumference, and yeah, great for stew. So I love this. It's like a bang for your buck because you get 2 cast iron items in one. I absolutely love it. It's called a round cocotte with baker lid, and it cost me 4,439 Rand 40, and I think that the sale amount was, or the discount on this was, I think I want to say 40%, either 40% or 50%, so a really good deal. So yeah, that is my collection. I should probably tell you the total that I spent. I spent a total of 12,329 Rand 30 cents. Yeah, I'm so happy with my purchases. I can't wait to use them and cook them and add them to my collection. Like I said, my sister went crazy. She bought so much stuff. I'm so happy for her. So she started her Le Creuset collection, and yeah, she was so happy. It's so cool to be able to share like moments like this with my sister, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah guys, so that's it for this vlog haul situation, my Le Creuset shopping spree. If you'd like to actually see my fuller Le Creuset collection, because I have an extensive collection, I've been collecting for years and years, I love the brand. Let me know and I'll do a video, and yeah, I'll show you all of my different Le Creuset pieces. But until then, please make sure that you subscribe and join the family. If you love this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more of these type of things. Please post a comment, let me know, or let me know what type of Le Creuset you have. Let me know if you're going to go take advantage of that Colorful Friday sale and get yourself some amazing Le Creuset. But yeah, until then, I will see you next time on Zola's Feast. Bye guys.